Hello guys, this is Rome Tips. Today I show you how to swap BTC to Sol on Phantom Wallet 2025. Full guide and step by step. Alright, first, and click on App Store or Google Play, open, and click on search and write Phantom Wallet. And click on search and scroll and search Phantom Crypto Wallet, developer Phantom Technology, and click on install or get and ATK install button, waiting install, and open. Click on open. Click on open and simple registration or authorization, and this your wallet. Alright, how to swap, and click on swap your balance or click on center swap. Alright, and Sol, click on and write BTC and select BTC. You receive and click on Sol or ETK coin, and you pay and write your amount BTC, 1 BTC, and you receive and click on swap. 1 minute, and click on swap and swap BTC to Sol. And that's all. Subscribe and give me a like if this video helps you, because your feedback helps me and show you how to do it. Bye.